Hello, this is Jason, and I'm going to take you on a little motorcycle tour around the An Thuong area. So this is like the main expat touristy area in Da Nang, and it's got some cool streets, a bunch of restaurants, and massage spots, coffee shops. So I'm going to try strapping you on the front of my bike here, and take you on a little tour. So let me see if I can attach you properly. Let's see how that works out. So far, so good. People will just pull right out in front of you. Alright, looks like it's sagging. At least I could reach down and adjust it if I need to. So I've got a massage at that place on the right a couple times. And bars. And I'm just going to weave back and forth through these streets. And reach down and adjust the camera every once in a while. Spas. Little convenience stores. Food truck, pharmacies. It smells so good. Smell the food. There's a Bikini Bottom Express burger shop I'm gonna go check out soon. New York pizza. Ice cream shop. There's a bar here. And there's a lot of these streets too. There's that Detroit pizza place I went to. Yeah, keep your fingers on the brakes, man. People step right out in front of you, cars pull out in front of you. You gotta be ready to react. Everyone is trying to kill you. Perfect weather out tonight. It's about, do a temperature check, 70 degrees. Perfect. This Lee Spa is nice. I went there a couple times for like $8 an hour for full body oil massage. Good deal. So this is a quicker way to show you all of An Thuong than a walking tour. It's an escape room. That'd be cool to go with some people. If I had some friends. Be a cool place to do a meetup, I guess. A bunch of people go there and try to get out of an escape room. Tattoo shop. Oh. Another Lee spa. This epic Vietnamese bistro I ate there. It was good food. There's body massage for $200 for an hour. Ramen spot. Indian spot. Massage, sir. Not had a massage today. I have had a massage the past 3 days in a row though. My muscles are kind of getting sore. I'm gonna give a little rest. Give some time to give my muscles some time to recoup. There's quite a few pizzerias. Tom's Bar and Grill. And then this is the Epic Thai Bistro. Epic Vietnamese Bistro is on the next street. Epic Thai Bistro over here. Not a lot on this street though. Embassy Irish Sports Bar and Grill. Now we're on An Thuong 6. A lot of people here. Hotels, flower shop. Tons of massage shops. All right, I think this is as far as we'll go down. It does go, another block, but I'm gonna go to the other side and then cut down on the other An Thuong streets. Brouhaha, craft beer, the Black Pearl. Now we're going to start cutting down the streets. We'll come up two on the left. As soon as I find some. There we go. People zooming all around. And this is where I was staying before. This is the Sea Queen Hotel up here. Got a little traffic jam going on. Alright, I'm gonna turn around. Whoa. Seems like they're not going to figure things out very quickly. The Bonet, that's that steak and eggs dish that I had. Not the place I had it, but they serve it there too. And a little tapping is my key. Nothing I can do about it if you hear it. And then somewhere around here is that place that I ate the bun chai or bun zao bo. And right up here, right here on the left, Bet Non Viet. Alright, let's move down these streets. Not been down this one. Korean Chinese restaurant, spa. Not much going on over here. Apartment, couple apartments. And over here, this is like a pretty new area they opened up in the past year, what I've seen. Right across the street there, this whole block is new. We'll go cruise around that block. An Thuong by night restaurant. It's crazy. Some places you see packed, and some places nobody's in them. It's Cheers. You know, all this over on the left's new. Now we're just like one street away from the beach. So this is Beach Road up here. So that's pretty much it. That's the main area, is An Thuong, where the most touristy part of Da Nang. So hopefully you enjoyed that quick little tour around the An Thuong area, and I can maybe do some little motorcycle tours around like Santra and other areas. Just ride around maybe a little bit more. But I also wanted to show you at night, just to show you how everything's lit up. It's pretty cool. So that's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.